The local child care owner, your health care provider, city firefighters. These are just some of the community members who know the signs of child abuse. They are aware, and you should be too, to help prevent child abuse. Claudia Solis-Acala explains.
Who reports child abuse in your community? Anyone can and should voluntarily report known or suspected child abuse to law enforcement. You can remain anonymous.
And some people who are dealing with children all the time don't necessarily know that they're required by law. So that's part of our task, is to make sure that they understand that this is something that they're required by law to do. Our hope is, of course, everybody will do it.
A major reason to raise public awareness is that 1 out of 11 children in Tulare County are abused. 1,800 are in the Juvenile Court Protective Services system, and 40% of reported cases of child abuse are children ages 0 to 5.
It is important because it is, I think, our understanding that we are all responsible for our county's children. It's not somebody else's job. If we know it and see it, it's our job to protect children. I think that's a moral responsibility that people need to be invited to understand sometimes.
The Tulare County Child Abuse Prevention Council offers free trainings to members of the community on why it's important to report child abuse and how to report it. Those required to take the training include child care providers, teachers, healthcare practitioners, firefighters, law enforcement, clergy, and many more.
These are people who are strategically positioned to have contact with children, and I think it assures the rest of the community that the eyes and ears of the community are focused on watching out for children. If we're talking about children 0 to 5, we really need people who will do that because the children themselves cannot.
Early Mart child care provider Cristina Mariscal takes pride in her work, caring for children and preparing them for school. She also knows it is her responsibility to protect the children in her care and in her county.
That's something for us as adults to protect the kids. Emotionally, especially emotionally, because bruises go away, but the emotional part, it will stay there for life.
The mandated reporter training Mariscal attended normally takes just over an hour. She says she had an idea of what child abuse is, but learned much more in the course.
One thing I learned and I was interesting to me was that it doesn't matter how long it was the child was abused, because sometimes they keep the things to themselves, they're afraid. We still have to report it. Okay, that's one thing I learned, and it came handy to me. How to speak to the children, not telling them using your own words, not telling them, oh, have someone done this or that, but ask them, okay, do you want to talk to me? Is there something wrong going home? Just asking them, not pushing them though.
Mariscal also learned that child abuse comes in many forms: physical, sexual, emotional, and neglect. So when she notices signs of abuse, she will be well informed when she reports it.
Well, I think it gives them confidence to know what to do. And I think that they are more comfortable and assured that the information is confidential and that they are immune from repercussions. So everything is done in these laws to make it as easy as possible for people to step up and do what they need to do. And I think that those who are armed with the information know what to do and are assured that it will be okay.
Reporting known or suspected child abuse simply takes a phone call to any police or sheriff's department. A reporter should know information such as the name of the child, the present location of the child, and the nature of the abuse. A reporter is immune from criminal liability, and his or her identity is confidential.
Don't hesitate, because like I say, you probably think, oh, it might not be nothing, or it passed a long time ago, we should not even bother to call. We need to call, because as adults, it's our responsibility to protect the young children.
The trainings are just part of the services the Tulare County Child Abuse Prevention Council provides the community. Its mission is to provide public awareness of abuse and the resources available. Shaw and the council do so through connecting community organizations, holding monthly meetings, and organizing informational campaigns.
We feel like this needs to be an army, and we need to raise the awareness in a really significant way.
I'm Claudia Solis Alcala for 0 to 5 in 30 minutes.
Thanks, Claudia. And to contact the Tulare County Child Abuse Prevention Council, call 559-735-0456. In Fresno, the number for the Council on Child Abuse Prevention is 559-268-1118.
This program funded in part by First 5 Fresno County. At First 5, we focus on the first 5 years of life. We fund programs and services that better the lives of children in Fresno County.
Additional funding from First 5 Tulare County. Changing lives and building futures. Because it's all about the kids.